How to log Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. Want to log your Instagram app with Face ID on your iPhone or iPad? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add an extra layer of privacy to Instagram. So let's go. First, what you need to do is simply open your Instagram app or simply hold on to your Instagram app, and you can find various options like edit home screen, share app, require Face ID. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on require Face ID, and it asks you whether you want to only require Face ID or simply hide and require Face ID. You can choose whichever you want. I'll be only choosing require Face ID. Now you'll need to simply uh, recognize your face. Now, once you do that, simply try to open your Instagram app. Now it will require Face ID. And that's it. That's how you can simply log Instagram with Face ID on iPhone.